This is how I read all of my ACOTAR fanfics on my Kindle. Also, I'll do a video on these straps soon, but this is my new favorite thing. I love them. There's a link in my bio. First things first, under settings in your account, you're going to see the send to Kindle email. It is unique to your device. You're going to want to turn this email into a contact either on your phone or iPad. It is the easiest way to do this. Next, in your Amazon account, under Manage Content and Devices, under Preferences, you're going to see the Personal Document settings. Under that Approved Email list, you're going to add your personal email. Now it's time to find a fanfiction. There is a fanfic for every single fandom out there on Archive of Our Own, also known as AO3. This is where I find all of my favorite ACOTAR fanfics. There are so many of them. I usually sort by hits, which means popularity. This is the one I'm going to use today for this example. You can read straight on the platform, but I prefer to read on my Kindle, so I'm going to download it as an EPUB and then share it to my email, making sure that from address is the one that we put on the approved email list, and the to is my Kindle contact. After it loads, it'll show as a document on your Kindle ready to read.